I don't know who came up with the idea of making a sauce of tomatoes and fruit and chilies and nuts and then adding chocolate to it. I don't know who this person was, but you're my hero. Chicken mole, or mole chicken, or chicken with mole sauce, is a dish that is well known in Mexico. Let me show you my version right now. In a pot, I have some chicken parts, which I add a quartered onion, a couple of bay leaves, and about 12 black peppercorns. To the pot, we're adding enough water to cover the chicken. Place over low heat and simmer for 1 hour. After an hour, remove the chicken pieces. And strain the broth through a fine mesh strainer. Reserve for later. These are the ingredients for the mole sauce. We have a quarter onion, half a ripe plantain, 2 Roma tomatoes, 2 tomatillos, dried plums, half a wheel of Mexican chocolate, half a stick of Mexican cinnamon, 3 garlic cloves, a teaspoon of allspice berries, a few cloves, a teaspoon of cumin seeds, a teaspoon of coriander seeds, a tablespoon of sesame seeds, 2 tablespoons sunflower seeds, 1 dried ancho chili, and 1 dried guajillo chili. Place the spices and seeds in a dry pan and toast for a few minutes. Then transfer to a high-powered blender and blend until spices and seeds are pulverized. You can also use a mortar and pestle for this step. Now blend the Mexican chocolate in the same manner. To the same pan with a little bit of oil, add the vegetables, dried fruit, and chilies. Add a teaspoon of dried oregano, a teaspoon of dried thyme, and a teaspoon of sea salt. Cook mixture until it begins to caramelize. Then add a little bit of that broth to loosen the flavor bits from the bottom of the pan. Transfer the vegetable base to the blender. And add a half a cup of that broth. Puree until smooth. Place the mole sauce back into the pan. You can strain this if you want a smooth sauce, but I like it with a little bit of texture. Bring the sauce to a simmer, then add the cooked chicken pieces. Spooning that wonderful mole sauce on top. Cover and simmer for about half an hour. That chicken is absorbing all the flavors of that mole. I wish you could smell the aroma lifting off this pan right now. Place your chicken in a serving dish. And spoon that beautiful mole sauce all over. Garnish with sesame seeds. And there you have it, chicken with mole sauce. Que sabroso. Thanks for watching. If you really like this video, remember to like and share, and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can stay up to date on all new content. And remember, food can look good, but if it doesn't taste good, then your cooking is in vain. So make it sabroso.